Okay, in today's session, we're quickly going to dive into how to use the new hologram recorder. So when you get into the scene, you might want to leave a message for someone in the form of a hologram or a welcome message or anything for your customers, teams, friends, whatever. If you look on your left wrist watch menu, you'll see a new item that's called Record Hologram. And basically, as soon as I click this, it's going to start a recording of my entire body in the 3D space. So I'll show you an example. So I'm clicking this. And now, as I walk around, everything that I say and do with my hands and arms will be recorded and played back. So, for example, I will take someone to the whiteboard and explain that, hey, this is a whiteboard and you can draw items on here. And I can stop the hologram again here. And then you'll be presented with the name of the recording. So let's just say whiteboard and save. Now it takes a couple of seconds, and once it's ready, you'll actually see a little cube spawn that we call a wisp, and this cube will be presented to or visible to everyone, and whenever they click on it, it'll play your recording for them. And you, as the creator of the recording, you're the only one who's able to actually delete that recording or edit it. So here we go. This is the cube or the wisp, and you can see it's called whiteboard. Now to play it back, if someone new comes in, they can just click on this. And we're still working on the UX to show that you've clicked, but you'll see in a second that avatar spawns. As I walk around, everything that I say and do with my hands and arms will be recorded and played back. So, for example, I will take someone to the whiteboard and explain that, hey, this is a whiteboard and you can draw items on here. And there you go. And then you can go ahead and edit or delete it here again. I'll just delete it for cleanliness.